Hello and welcome to the Cricket Next YouTube channel. My name is Kana Bali and we are here for a very interesting discussion. मेरे साथ है साहिल मल्होत्रा. साहिल और मैंने कुछ दिन पहले इंडिया के अगले फिनिशर की बात की थी कि यार इंडिया का अगला फिनिशर कौन होगा. हार्दिक पांड्या, रिंकू सिंह, बहुत नाम उभर के आए. संजू सैमसन जिन्होंने खैर ओपन किया कल के मैच में. लेकिन एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल और है साहिल. इंडिया का अगला लीड T20 स्पिनर कौन होगा, क्योंकि बहुत लंबे टाइम तक हम युजवेंद्र चाहल को देखते आए हैं इंडिया को T20 में काइंड ऑफ लीड करते हुए. सबसे ज्यादा विकेट्स भी हैं. वर्ल्ड कप नहीं खेले हैं, अलग बात है. वर्ल्ड कप गए हैं, मैच कोई नहीं खेले हैं. बट अभी भी है, चाहल रिटायर नहीं हुए हैं. उनको उस इक्वेशन से पार किया नहीं गया है. लेकिन अब उनके साथ कंपटीशन इतना बढ़ गया है ना कि पता नहीं चल रहा है कि कौन इंडिया का अब वो वन स्पिनर होगा. क्योंकि कभी बार ऐसा होता है 11 में एक ही स्पिनर डालना है, तो किसको डालेंगे आज हम वो डिस्कस करेंगे. साहिल, बहुत नाम है हमारे पास. अगर हम स्टार्ट करें, चार नाम आपकी स्क्रीन पे है: युजवेंद्र चाहल, कुलदीप यादव, अक्षर पटेल, रवि बिश्नोई. इंडिविजुअली आप इन सबको कैसे देखते हैं एंड विच प्लेयर डू यू थिंक हैज द बेस्ट चांस टू बी इंडियाज नेक्स्ट लीडिंग T20 स्पिनर?
कनव, you rightly mentioned यार, ये चार लोगों के बीच में भी intense competition है when it comes to that those two spots. I would say we'll probably sooner or later have Washington Sundar in this mix also very soon. Abhi not a lot is being spoken about him, said about him, but the way he bowled in Zimbabwe, especially, those opportunities where he got an extended run with the side, he showed what he can bring to the table. So for now, I think this is our pool. This is what we have at disposal. I'm not very sure whether we are going to see Yuzvinder Chahal in Indian colors again. I know it's a very big statement to make that early, but I don't see Chahal playing international cricket for India again until and unless an injury happens to Ravi Bishnoi. Because to me, Kuldeep Yadav and Bishnoi are your two leading this spinners. And if you just talk about the pack, to me, first name on the spinner sheet would be Kuldeep Yadav. He is my leading T20I spinner. I'm not concerned about what he brings with the bat. I don't need his batting. I need his bowling. I need his wickets. I need his economy. I need his ability to give me wickets at will in the middle overs. And I think of all the players which we have been looking at the screen, whether it's Akshar Patel, Ravi Bishnoi, Kuldeep Yadav, or Yuzvendra Chahal, I think right now on current form, current momentum, I would call Kuldeep Yadav as the ace in my pack. I will not look ahead of him. Kuldeep Yadav is my guy.
Absolutely, Kuldeep Yadav has proved himself time and again in different formats, especially in the T20 format. But चाहल साहिल मेरे लिए बहुत क्यूरियस केस है. क्वालिटी बॉलर है, आईपीएल में लीडिंग विकेट टेकर है. बहुत बड़ी बात होती है आईपीएल जैसे टूर्नामेंट में इतनी विकेट्स लेना, जितनी विकेट्स उन्होंने ली है. इंडिया के लिए आप देख सकते हैं T20 में 96 लीडिंग विकेट टेकर. पांड्या, बुमराह आसपास हैं अभी, लेकिन चाहल इज ऑलरेडी अप देयर. क्या गलत हुआ है युजवेंद्र चाहल से कि वर्ल्ड कप एक मैच भी नहीं खेल पाए? इस बार कम से कम स्क्वाड में गए थे, वो भी नहीं खेल पाए. वे डू यू थिंक हिज फॉर्म, हिज स्किल्स, हिज टेम्परामेंट क्या डीरेल हुआ है युजवेंद्र चाहल के लिए, या वो वैसे ही है लेकिन उनसे बेटर और ऑप्शन आ गए?
I think आपने सही कहा, वो तो वैसे ही है यार. He has not changed as a bowler. He has been doing well. Yes, it has been a hot and cold IPL this season. Second half के अंदर आपको थोड़ा struggle करते हुए दिखे थे. Maybe it's because of more dew at the venues where he played in the second half. But yes, the wickets dried up. He was being dealt away with comfort in the final few overs, and that was unlike what we saw last season. Last season वो एक death bowler बन के राजस्थान के थे. Sanju used him in those slog overs. But I wouldn't call it the decline of Yuzvendra Chahal as much as I would call it the rise and consistency of Kuldeep Yadav across formats. Kuldeep has been in different territory right now. He's in a different zone, different mindset. He's thoroughly enjoying his bowling, and I think for wrist spinners, the mental game has to be right on top, because it's a very difficult skill to execute on a consistent basis. बहुत opportunities होती हैं error करने की, to get that short delivery out of your hand. There are a lot of chances, but for someone like Kuldeep, Chahal, Bishnoi to be doing that, to be hitting the right spot, the sweet spot over and over again, it's a very difficult skill to execute. And Kuldeep is just in between a dream run, I would say. And unfortunate, two very good friends, Yuzvendra Chahal and Kuldeep Yadav, but Kuldeep Yadav's rise has meant that he's the preferred wrist spinner right now, and we'll not see a situation anytime soon where India would play two wrist spinners in the same 11. I think इतना अब आपको आइडिया लग जाता है टीम कॉम्पोजिशन से, where we went with someone like Aksar and Jadeja in the same 11. So आप देख सकते हो कि finger spinners का preference ज़्यादा है, and that is why at the start of the show I mentioned that finger spinner could probably be Washington Sundar because he's the off spinner, takes it the other way. So you'll have 3 different spinners in the 11. That's a luxury for any captain and any coach.
एब्सोल्युटली टू स्पिनर्स इज हाईली अनलाइकली. वो कुलचा से पेट भर गया इंडियन टीम का, वो कुलचा और हमें शायद ना दिखे. बट अक्षर पटेल के आपने जिक्र किया यहाँ पर, ये फैंस के मन में बहुत कंफ्यूजन होती है. डू यू सी कुलदीप प्लेइंग इन प्लेस ऑफ अक्षर पटेल और विद अक्षर पटेल इन द 11 इफ एक स्पिनर अगर आपको खिलाना है?
No, so Kuldeep will play probably with Akshar Patel. I think Kuldeep, Akshar, and Washington should be your 3 spinners. If you're not sure in Washington, maybe you can try Bishnoi also, take that bold call. Why trying Bishnoi is okay? Because Bishnoi is not a typical leg spinner. Bowls that big googly, is very comfortable bowling to the left-handers. So, all those things all those things do help Ravi Bishnoi get that edge over even the likes of Aksar or even the likes of Yuzvendra Chahal. But Kuldeep will be my wrist spinner. I'll play him alongside Aksar, and Washington Sundar, as I said, should be the third spinner.
Yeah, so basically Washington Sundar over Ravi Bishnoi gives you extra batting as well, because Washington Sundar is a batter who can bat. लेकिन वो contention में अभी आए, धीरे धीरे आ रहे हैं. Obviously इतना chances उनको पहले नहीं मिले थे Washington Sundar को. But Ravi Bishnoi पे अगर हम बात करें, what has impressed you the most about Bishnoi? जितना भी उनका career अभी तक का रहा है, छोटा रहा है, T20 आए, IPL में परफॉर्म किया, IPL में उन्होंने काफी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है. रवि बिश्नोई ने आपको कैसे इंप्रेस किया, और व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज हिज लिमिटेशंस एज अ बॉलर?
I think Ravi Bishnoi, against the left-handers especially, I think he has been very, very good against the left-handers, and that is something which has kind of gone in his favor, I would say, because a leg spinner who turns it into the left-hander makes it comparatively difficult for a leg spinner to execute his skills. But Bishnoi has that big delivery which goes away from the leg spinner. That's his stock ball, I would say. And control and the pace at which he bowls makes him a very different and a very difficult leg spinner to deal with. And that is why you are seeing his numbers. 31 games, 46 wickets, 7.22 an economy. So these are phenomenal numbers for a leg spinner. As I said, it's a very difficult skill and art to execute. And for Ravi Bishnoi to do what he has done, I think full marks to him, यार, because वो control बहुत important है, जो वो craft है उसके लिए. So वो control दिखा रहा है. So that control is very important.
Absolutely, the control that he has, and he has impressed a lot of people. और अगला वर्ल्ड कप भी इंडिया में है T20, तो वो फैक्टर भी बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है कि आपको स्पिनर्स और जरूरी हो जाएंगे. ऑब्वियसली वेस्ट इंडीज में रोहित शर्मा 4 स्पिनर्स लेके गए थे. उन्होंने पीसी में कहा था कि वी वोंट रिवील द रीजन, और वो काम आया आगे जाकर. दे वॉन द वर्ल्ड कप. बट बहुत जरूरी है जानना कि अगला T20 का लीडिंग स्पिनर कौन हो सकते हैं. वैसे साहिल, इनके अलावा अगर कोई नाम आपको लगता है कि आईपीएल में या डोमेस्टिक में कोई ऐसा यंग स्पिनर जो आगे चल के इंडिया का इस फाइट के बीच में अपना हाथ खड़ा कर सकता है, कोई ऐसा एडिशनल नाम अगर आपके दिमाग में आता है?
स्पिनर मानव सुतर, यार. मानव सुतर, साई किशोर, एम सिद्धार्थ, लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिनर्स की अगर आप बात करो, these are 3 names I've been following very closely for what they are doing in domestic cricket, the matches they're playing for India emerging side and their respective zones. So these are 3 spinners, but unfortunately, the left arm spinner position is locked by Aksar right now across formats. So whoever comes, whether that's Shams Mulani or Saurabh Kumar, I think they'll just be playing support cast to Aksar, just like Aksar played to Jadeja for most of his career. So these are some left arm spinners I'm looking forward to, because right now we don't really have any off spinner who looks good enough to challenge that Washington Sundar position. There was one Pulkit Narang from Delhi who plays for services, was picking wickets in the domestic circuit, but has kind of fallen off the selectors' radar, I've been told now, because of, I think, one bad season or lackluster returns when he was put into zone sides. So Pulkit Narang was definitely one. And leg spinner right now in domestic circuit, which team has a good leg spinner? I can only recall veterans. Piyush Chawla is moving back to UP. I can't really recall a young leg spinner who's doing well right now. But left arm spinners, as I said, Manav Sutar is there, Sai Kishore is there, M Siddharth is there. So I'll be I really like these bowlers, smart bowlers, and kind of very all format kind of bowlers.
Yeah. But as of now, we have only these four who are leading that spinner chart for India
Yeah.
in the T20I format. And Chahal, as you and many people believe, I also kind of agree that वो ट्रेन स्टेशन से छूट चुके हैं, उनके लिए थोड़ा आगे बढ़ चुके हैं, क्योंकि उनसे बेटर थोड़े कुलदीप यादव लेफ्ट आर्म चाइनामैन आपको एक स्किल एक्स्ट्रा एडेड है. अक्षर पटेल बैटिंग करते हैं,
Yeah.
बिश्नोई एक यंगस्टर है जिनका टेम्परामेंट बहुत अच्छा है T20I में. तो ये देखना बहुत जरूरी है. ऑब्वियसली साहिल बिलीव्स कुलदीप यादव is that leading main spinner, prime spinner for India going into the T20I format. Which spinner do you think इंडिया का फ्यूचर बन सकता है अब इस फॉर्मेट में, इन चारों में से, और भी कोई नाम अगर आपके पास हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिएगा. आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक साहिल फॉर कनेक्टिंग विद अस एंड गिविंग अस हिज अमेजिंग इनपुट्स. एंड until then, what you guys need to do, you know it very well, subscribe to the Cricknext YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, follow us across all our social media platforms. ऐसे ही अपडेट और अमेजिंग डिस्कशंस आपके लिए आती रहेंगी. नीचे का प्लेटफॉर्म खुला है, बढ़िया अपने सवाल, अपने ओपिनियन, अपनी स्टेटमेंट जो डालना है डालें. क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी to take your questions or your opinions or suggestions. Until then, please take care of yourself and have a nice day.